Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss first law of thermodynamics. Now first law of thermodynamics is merely a law of conservation of energy. Now what are the assumptions or what are the statements of it is very first, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Now secondly, it is converted into one form to another. Now first law states the equivalent amount conversion. I mean, if at all you will supply x kilojoule of any form of energy, then that equivalent amount can be received but in another form. So quantitative conversion is expected. So the total amount of energy in the universe or isolated system always remain constant. And remember, perpetual motion machine, that is a machine which performs work without consuming any energy, cannot be expected or cannot be prepared. That is, perpetual motion machine cannot be constructed or prepared. So these are the statements of first law of thermodynamics. Now mathematically, how would you state this? Consider a system whose internal energy in initial state is supposed to be U1, and to this system let Q be the amount of heat supplied, and W is supposed to be work done on the system by surrounding. If so, then the internal energy in final state, that is U2, can be given as, so U2 is equal to U1, which happens to be internal energy in initial state, plus Q, this is the amount of heat supplied to the system, plus W, this is the work done on the system by the surrounding. Now this can be given as, so U2 minus U1 is equal to Q plus W, thus delta U is equal to Q plus W. So this is the mathematical statement of the first law of thermodynamics. Thank you very much.